Stop. Desktop 1. Magnify.
Hi students, this is Code Beyond site. So we will learn about control statement in Python programming. This is very important concept in software field. So because if you should understand this concept, if you can't control the code or softwares, if condition, functions, so everything in software. So basically the control statement, the Python has the three control statements like break, continue, and last one is pass. First you here here
Number
this
control statement. Number there are three statements. Number break. Number continue.
continue,
Number break.
break,
Number continue.
continue,
Number pass.
pass. That there are three type of the control statement. Okay, the first we will let's look at the break statement. So the break statement nothing but in real world scenario, if company the break statement using to using this break keyword completely stop the loop or condition or function, completely stop. So in real world scenario, you consider the IT company. So that IT company HR desired only 10 peoples only this time hired. So he is desired only 10 people is hired, will hire. So until the 10 people is hired, after hire the stop the hiring process. Okay, this is the break. So if this condition satisfy, stop the hiring. So same like that, same like this the break statement is work. So I'm write the code for that in real world scenario. So okay, I'm mentioned the for
FOR
keyword
space
and persons. Okay,
PERSION.
person,
Persian space. Persian PERSON. Person space
person, in range,
INNRA and GE. Range space.
range.
Left parent.
How many people join in higher company?
1. 1 comma.
To
1 1.
10 people. I mentioned the 1 to 11. That means uh, 1 to 1 to 10 people or 1 to 9 people. So
Line feed.
uh,
Colon.
I mentioned
4
this.
space.
So again I mentioned the print statement, sorry, if condition.
If
If
space. PERSON. Person
person
space. Equals.
equal to
5.
5. Okay,
5
5.
equals.
Sorry,
5.
equals.
5 equals. 5.
So
5 colon.
the condition is the person equal to 5.
8 space.
Break. I
BRAK.
mentioned the break.
4 space line feed. 8 space.
Print
Print quote. 8 her HIRING hiring space. Is STOP stop space. So space. EVER Y every space. BOD bod space. TBOD body space. Go space.
everybody.
Go. Everybody. Line feed. Brag.
Okay.
Space. PRINT. Print left quote. PER. 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 YOU space. ARER space.
You are
Space.
you
AHIRED. Hired.
are
Line feed. Right parent. Comma. PERSON. Person. P.
person. So I wrote
Brag.
the
Print
code.
force no indent for
So
person and ref.
I explained this each line. Okay, the first line
And for person selected. Range left
for
parent.
person in range 1 comma 11. So this time is print 1 to 10 peoples. So 1 by 1 print. So
For
inside
if
one,
select.
inside the for loop has if condition. So the person equal to 5, if person equal to 5, until run the this loop. Okay, after reach the person equal to 5, break the statement, hiring is stop. So everybody is go, everybody go. So this print statement is show until uh, the print statement, sorry, the loop is run. The for you are hired, you are hired, you are hired,
If
like
space.
this. So I'm running the
Terminal
code.
C blank blank Python dot backslash.
You you this time is undefined break. Okay, so
Main
I
brag B
step
R E A K break.
break. Okay, fine.
Terminal
The
C L E A R clear. PSC accessible. PSC you are hired 1.
one is hired,
You are hired 2.
higher, and the 2 number is
You
hired.
are hired 3.
The 3 number is
You
higher.
are hired 4.
The higher 4 is higher.
Hiring is stopped, so everybody go.
The when is reach the person reach the 5, the hiring is stopped. So the break statement working like this.
Main landmark.
This is very useful in software development. So first you learn this.
On right parent selected.
Okay.
Per select. Quote comma. Per
The
blank
next
selection.
concept is continue.
C O U Q C O N T I N U E. Continue blank.
Continue. So in real world scenario, so continue is here using to the condition is satisfied. Skip if condition is skip the one block to another block. For example, in you student mark list. Okay, the student has each student has the different marks. So but in IIT, the Indian technology, sorry, IIT, Indian Institute Technology, this college, the college record 50 marks. But so the college less the college greater than equal, that means above the 50 marks required, above the 50 marks or equal the 50 marks. So below, in case below the 50 marks, the student has below 50 mark, skip the higher, skip the admission. So write code for this. Now the continue statement nothing but basically skip the condition is satisfied, skip that person to go to another process. Okay, for example,
S T
student, I create the one
U
variable
D E S T Stu S T U D E S T student M A R K mark equal left brace quote left brace left quote quote 4 4 4 5 5 55 6 4 63 3 33 comma 5 7 57 9 9 99 comma 3 3 2 1
So I mentioned many marks.
1 2 comma blank
I mentioned many marks. I
F R O fro F O R 4 space
for
S S M A
mark
R K mark I N space S T D D U D E S E student line M A R K mark call 4 space.
I mentioned the student mark. Again I write the condition one.
I F if space M A R K marks greater
Is
equals space
okay, sorry.
space equals greater
Sorry.
less equals
equal to
5 0 50 colon 8 space.
That people's only filter. Okay, that people's only reject. This means this condition, if mark less equal to 50, in case the student has 50 marks or less mark, below mark, that students not eligible. So that people's to filter or skip for an
P R I S E print quote
okay.
quote quote 3, 3 E,
uh,
Y O U U space U, Y O U, U space N O T not space, not U, Y O U U space A K Mar is L O W O S space, Y O U U space N O T not space E L I G, L E L I G I E eligible space, eligible E L I G I B L E eligible space F R 4 A D M I S S I O N, admission, blank, right parent, O I F D A 4 eligible, not U, us, low, space, space, K, K, quote, 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 comma, 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 MARK, KRAN, comma, quote, blank,
so I'm
C O N T I N U E, continue, blank, 4 space, 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 P R I N E, print left air quote, Y O U U space A K M R I is space, H G G I G A I space, I
this
H I G A I space, Y O U U space, A R E R space L I L E L I G B L E colon, eligible, colon, eligible, E L I G I B F eligible 3 space 3 eligible, R L colon quote eligible, L eligible E L I G I B L E eligible space, eligible selected, blank, eligible right quote, colon, eligible, eligible, blank, right parent, quote, colon, A-R-K, is, space, quote, blank, right parent, comma, M-A-R-K, mark,
so I write the code.
blank, right parent, mark, M-A-R-K, mark, terminal fork, C-L-E-R, clear, U, blank, blank, U mark is 44 low as you not eligible for admission. U mark is high you are eligible. Mark is colon 55 U mark is high you are eligible. Mark is colon 64 U mark is 33 low as you not eligible for admission. U mark is high you are eligible. Mark is colon.
I'm add
Main landmark can not U us U space S-O so S-K-I-P skip terminal 4 comma C-E-R clear Python dot backslash control line statement dot py U mark is 44 low so skip you not eligible for admission. U mark is high you are eligible. Mark is colon 55 U mark is high you are eligible. Mark is colon 64 U mark is 33 low so skip you not eligible for admission. U mark is high you are eligible. Mark is colon 57 U mark is high you are eligible. Mark is colon 99 U mark is 21 low so skip you not eligible for admission. PSC colon backslash users back.
okay. This time you can hear this all code. So the mark is less than or equal to that mark, that mark is skip. The another the greater than above the 50 marks, that marks only eligible. So we can skip the statement, or we can skip the um, one part to another part. So this is very important for this is mostly using filtration process, very useful for that, for filtering. Okay,
Main landmark
I'm
control line
command the
statement dot
all
py editor
command the all
is colon
codes.
quote cop
The
no indent
final
number
the final concept is pass.
P A S is pass P A S pass
Pass is nothing but this is this is using future, in case you write the one function or for loop or condition. The condition is not using this time, but in future you will use that function. That time you use the until then you mention this pass keyword. The function is nothing, the condition is nothing. For example,
space space FR4 space IN N I N N I N A R A G E ray space
right,
left parent 1 1 4
for
blank For iron line feet, colon 4 space, if space, 4, 4, 3, 3, I space, equals,
equal to
4, 4, 3, line colon 8 space, PASS, 4 space,
pass
P space, PRIN, print, 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 quote, NUMBER, line right parent, comma, I,
this the pass keyboard. The condition, the if condition is not the if condition has not any any statement, printing statement, any logics. So this is nothing, this is ideally used. So the statement only ideal for this time, but in future we will write the any codes, any lines. So that's why using the pass keyboard temporarily the condition is disabled. This is basically like this. So I'm run the code.
term CLEAR clear, PSC colon backslash users
You can see the print is run. Okay. The condition is satisfied until equal but not run. Okay, this is a past statement, this is future use, this is future. Okay.
main
I will
landmark
change
colon
that.
right parent 4, 1, 0, 10,
Like this.
term CLEAR clear, clear path and dot,
You can hear
accessible. PSC number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5,
the all statement is
PSC
run, but the condition is satisfied. The equal to 3 is satisfied, but the if condition has any logic, any conditions. So go to the next print statements. So this is the pass keyword. If you use the pass keyword, you will code or you will implement the logic in future. So this is very useful for that. Okay friends, this is the control statement. If you have any doubts and if you want to any clarification, please ask ask me, or if you have any doubts, command in YouTube command box, or send the mail. I will reply you. Okay friends, bye.
desktop 2, Magna, settings, start stop